What's up, everyone? It's Tuesday, August 15th. Welcome back to NYU Grad's Daily Podcast. Today is probably going to be a quick one as well. Let's jump right into it. So, on Tuesday, I think I'm going to call this episode FOMC versus FOMO or FOMO. I think tomorrow is going to be a big determining factor if we defend the 50-day moving average or not on the S&P 500. The breadth numbers today were steadily to the sellers. We had 85 new highs, 341 new lows. 18% of those were advancing versus 78% declining. Pre-market, we had a big sell-off overnight. We fought back some of it before the open. And we had strong retail sales numbers in the morning, and that kind of created some chaos, a lot of different interpretations, but the narrative during the opening bell throughout all the way through lunch was there was some concerns that because the consumer is strong still, maybe that Uncle Powell, Jerome Powell from the Fed, has to stay higher for longer on rates. Because everyone in the world is waiting for rate cuts. How long are we going to continue with high interest rates? That's kind of all that really matters right now, which is kind of sad. And tomorrow we'll get more clues in the FOMC Minutes. Around 12 o'clock, right around lunch, I had posted on Substack Notes that breadth really needed to pick up on the volume to the buy side because it was on the sell side all morning. And if it doesn't, this sell-off will continue. And sure enough, breadth continued to stay weak, and we sold off hard into the close, closing right at the lows. A level that I had mentioned prior is to watch for the ES 4444. The reason why I said that was because it is a confluence area where the majority of shares exchanged hands between sellers and buyers. So it's going to act like a magnet. If tomorrow that line is defended, we could bounce up to basically 4,500. We'll see. And the other notable thing that I saw today, I didn't know why the home builders have been up for so long, but apparently Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has been buying shares of home builders, new home builders, ticker symbol DHI, which is DR Horton, ticker symbol LEN, which is Lennar, and the last one is NVR, ticker symbol N as in Nancy, V as in Victor, R as in Robert. What was strong today? Extreme Networks barely closed red. So this is one of my freebie stock spotlights. The networking company that's growing very fast. They were barely down today, so keep an eye out for that. NVDA was down less than the Magnificent Seven, kind of holding up a little bit here. And LYFT closed up 3.78%. And the VIX closed up 10.93%. What was weak? Pretty much everything. All sectors were red today. Healthcare was the least red of all of the sectors. And that's given, right? A lot of rotation out of risk into dividend-paying pharmaceutical and healthcare stocks. That's pretty much how I saw the day, guys. I'll post some charts and notes in the show notes. I want to thank everyone, all the new subscribers to the Substack, as well as the followers to the notes. And I will continue to work hard for everyone and give you intraday market updates through notes, and as well as stock spotlights and daily podcasts. Keep in mind the episodes for the podcast on the daily schedule will vary between as short as 5 minutes to over 20 minutes. It really depends on the market. I'm not trying to produce the show for a duration time. I'm not going to fill the airwaves with needed jargon or go off on tangents. So I'm just going to call it like I see it. So today was a short episode. I'm sure tomorrow there's going to be a ton of action with the FOMC minutes and some earnings as well as some macro data. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next podcast.